Hello everyone, in this video I'll show you how to withdraw from clickwages. So to get started, go ahead and head over to clickwages. Make sure that you're signed in into your account. Now once you're signed in into your account, go ahead and head over into the cash out tab, which you'll find at the bottom right corner of your screen. So simply click on that cash out tab and you'll get redirected into a page where you can actually view your current balance and the referral rewards that you've received to your account. So simply head over into the cash out tab to be able to view if you're eligible for cash out on clickwages. So as you can see into this section, you'll be able to find a few things about your account. So under your name, you can find this cash out option. So simply click on that cash out option and enter the value of money that you want to cash out from your account. So as you can see, your cash out request has just been approved. So you can do that and click on that cash out and make sure that you have set up your withdrawal methods for this account. So after you actually enter your withdrawal methods, you click on the cash out button and enter the amount that you want to cash out. You can simply cash out the amount that you want to cash out from your account. And that is how you can simply cash out money or withdraw money from clickwages. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.